What's going on, and welcome to another edition of Oil and Gears. Today is going to be one that's going to change the exterior on the Scion XB. So what are we doing? We are adding the WellVisors. Yeah, we're going to put them on the outside. I'm going to show you how to do it because there's not any instructions on how to do these, and it's fairly easy. So let's get to it. Alright, so if you notice, my Scion XB has these carbon fiber, I guess door pillars on the outside, and I actually got these at a junkyard. It was off of a RS, I believe it was a hot lava RS, and I took them off and just put them on mine. So the difference on what I'm gonna do here, which might be different for you guys, if you don't have these, there's gonna be one extra step that you don't have to follow. But what I'm doing is putting some double-sided tape right here. That way it fills in the gap from the WellVisors because it uses 3M double-sided tape to stick on here. So I'm gonna add some on here just to cut down that gap here and here. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna wipe down the doors here, the plastic pieces, with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I'll let that dry up. So now we're going to take the backing off of this double-sided tape and we'll add it here on the door. So I'm not going to bore you with this. This is actually the tedious process of this whole thing. So let's fast forward. All right, now that we've got the backing off of the double-sided tape here, I'm gonna put this off to the side, and we're gonna do that one extra step if you have any of these on your car. All right, so this is what we're gonna use to fill in the gap right here. Just because these carbon fiber pillars, they actually are kind of thick, so we wanna fill that gap in right here. So I already have a piece already cut. Now that we got the backing off, we're gonna put this right here. Like this. And again, this is only to fill in the gap. Alright, so we'll open the door up just like that. So the WellVisors have these tabs right here, and this is going to hook in to your door. So right here there's a gap in between the weather stripping, and that's where these tabs are going to go. There's going to be one here, there's going to be one here. So what we'll do is we'll line it up here on the edge, and all you have to do is put one of the tabs in, just like that. Add the other tab, just like that, and then just push the visor onto your door, like so. And then with me, I'm going to make sure and again, it's not permanent, so I actually need to move the tab. Tab down just like that. Alright. There you go. Push it in nice and firm. And you're done. There you got the first visor for the front. Now we're going to do this one here. Alright, so now we got the other double-sided tape, and again, this is only to fill in that gap that I have because of the carbon fiber pillar right here. grab your visor. As you can see, the red backing. So again, I'm not going to bore you with me taking that off. And as you can see, the visor actually is bigger in the front than it is in the back. So it actually goes smaller towards the back. So that's the way you can differentiate what's in the front and what's in the back, because it's bigger in the front, goes down to the back. So, and it has these little like covers that are on here. They're like foam just to protect these tabs. So, but you might want to just rub off. Some of the residue stays on there, but you can just rub it off just like that. This one as well. I don't know if you can see the residue there, but all right. I'll open the door, and again, we're gonna hook these tabs into the door right below this weather stripping right here. So you're just gonna line it up with the door over here in the front. Insert the tab. Go. Insert those tabs there, and you might have to push it closer to the back. Now these don't fit perfect, even with without the carbon fiber like I have on the pillars. They're not going to fit perfect. There is a little bit of a an end right here that's not covered, but you can barely see it. Again, you push it, make sure that it's on there, close your door, and you're done. All right, well there you have it. We put the WellVisors on the Scion XB, and I have to tell you, I love the way they look. There's a little bit right here that it doesn't go all the way to the end, but you know what? It's barely noticeable, and you know, I don't mind. But they make the car look a lot different than what it actually was. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!